your show, so.
Yeah, we'll talk.
Take it off.
Yeah, I don't know why Anthony wants me to do this, but anyway, so for our audience to know, we have some CDs here. Are these wanting to be handed out?
Sure. Anybody wants
Yeah,
to?
sure. Yeah, Rick brought extras, so if you don't have a knob CD and you're looking to get it,
If you don't have a knob CD, you
Day
should have a
drinking,
knob
should have.
Day
CD.
drinking and Lonely at the Bottom.
Or-
Tell them I'll be at the Italian Festival and handing them out
Okay.
if they want.
There you
There you
go. Nice job.
So
there you go,
Anthony's,
Indiana.
Yeah, I'll be like,
Anthony's gonna be at the Italian festival, handing them out if anyone wants one.
Yeah.
So,
free of charge.
sure we want to do that?
Yep.
Yeah, they're free.
Yeah.
Yeah, now
Yep.
I'm just giving Anthony.
Get Johnny's
Johnny's
music.
good with that. Oh, is he gonna try to make money off of?
No,
Let's give him
no,
a hard time.
no. Donations accepted. No, no. No, this is all.
Only if they get 5%.
You know
Yeah,
what,
totally.
Anthony? Johnny probably wouldn't even care.
He'd be like, yeah, go for it, get more.
Yeah.
All right, now you wanted us to, go ahead, you got to interview.
Well, I don't know where you wanted to go the direction-wise.
Whatever.
Well,
It's all right.
We met the knobs, right? We just did that before.
Yes, we met the knobs, we are the knobs. Of course, there were other versions of the knobs, but then mostly this group did the, knobs 2.0.
Phil.
The
Phil.
CDs from that, what we just played on out, from Lonely at the Bottom. And Johnny's songwriting, I should step back over here this way, so everyone crowding there. Johnny's CDs, his writing, there's a lot of these hard rockers, and that's what our live fans know, right? Because that's what he pulled out to play. And he's such a rocker, but then there's all these other levels of songs, and so anyone who knows Johnny and followed his Facebook with the Sunday Morning Soul and the
Friday with the
references, Friday with the Knobs, and the references to all the old pop and bubblegum. Johnny loved bubblegum. If you had to ride with Johnny to the studio on a Saturday, he was listening to Tony Michael's Jukebox Saturday the
Yeah.
whole time.
Yeah.
The oldie stuff all
And
the
the girl
time.
groups.
And the girl group
That's how
loves
we got rolled.
Yes, that's he has this vision of it. He wants to be one of the girls of
Yes.
the girl group. So there's Lois and I,
And Johnny.
I'll do it up,
Yeah.
and Johnny. So I personally would like to hear Irwin Girl right now.
Yeah.
An example of those. And and let me say too, the pop bubblegum is a hard sell for this crew, right?
Yeah.
And you're not talking about like the Zepp Head Rush, that like back here, more like what? But I'll be honest, when you sing those backups, at least, I don't know how it is playing it, but doing those songs, even in the studio, Shaking with Linda and stuff like that came later, so much
It's a
fun.
lot of fun.
So much fun. So if you want to spin Irwin Girl, appropriately introduced by Tony Michaels on there, which is pretty cool. Indiana's own Tony Michaels for our Indiana listeners today.
So you guys want to play that then?
Yeah, it is on to America.
Oh no, we want it off.
Oh no, we're not
We want
playing
it
here, off the
to
CD.
America.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
we have limited capacity to learn songs at this point,
What-
so.
Which one is
Limited
it on?
capacity to learn in
To
general.
Americas, to Americas. I think he's got it, look on your right.
Oh, yeah.
The CD that's out, not the plain one, the
gray one.
all the gray.
Oh,
There
yeah,
you
that
go.
one. I see it. I see it. Let's see. To America, you said?
Yeah, and then
Okay.
Irwin Girl is the
Irwin
song,
Girls.
whatever track Irwin Girl is.
Looks like we'll get to it here in a second. Let's see. Is To America's a song or no?
To Americas is a song too,
Okay.
but we want Irwin Girl.
Okay, I just want to make sure so I'm counting right.
Oh, they're not numbered. Of course not. That'd make it easy.
Of course not. That would be too Sorry about simplistic. that. Like user friendly.
Cost extra.
Yeah,
Oh,
really.
I'll give you that now.
Hey, here's the latest from the Knobs, that rocket band from Irwin, PA, singing a song about their favorite subject, Irwin Girls. Irwin Girl. She's an Irwin
It's gonna come in loud in a minute.
Yeah, it's gonna fold.
What is no idea?
It's got some passion in it. It's got a-
We like